Imagine you are going to a mission, and instead to go to a mission, you put the goggles and you are in there. You can board a helicopter and you can fly through the area of operation, and you can see where are you in position, what are the military deployment, what are the patrols moving, and you can even simulate some analysis like a blast on area to see the damage and the impact of that blast.
Virtual Operation Center is a solution that put together extended reality technology with the GIS in order to deliver a tactical sandbox. So in a form of hologram, we have a piece of terrain where different users can work together, and this can be used for decision making as support of decision making on the mission.
There is no need to convene together, there is no need for physical means, but a team can work together in a virtual environment, looking at the same time on a 3D map on which they can run simulation, on which they can assess condition and take decisions together on how to best operationalize a certain activity.
Virtual Operations Center is a project initiated in collaboration with ONSOS FTS. So it is an innovative mixed reality solution using mixed reality devices such as HoloLens and Oculus.
We did simulation of attack, simulation of any threat that we may face, so we can have some visibility in terms of what needs to be improved. And also sometimes when we can simulate with convoy, we can see some vulnerable area and vulnerable point that we can take appropriate measure before going to the field.
You can imagine the virtuality in this hand and reality is in this hand. And whatever is in between is the mixed reality.
So virtual reality, we are completely shattered from the reality and this totally immersive experience. In the middle, we have augmented reality and mixed reality. In augmented reality, let's say the things are a bit more simple, so we have digital content added as enhancing the reality. With mixed reality, we have the things merging together.
Maps powers VOC with geospatial data and information, and Maps is providing these geospatial data and services to UN peacekeeping missions and agencies found some programs. We had operational data collected from our colleagues in the field, reflecting in the UN daily operations and activities, as well as open geospatial information provided by UN Mappers, which is a thriving community of mapping enthusiasts that are contributing their time and efforts to map building footprints and roads, leveraging OpenStreetMap and open data. By leveraging UN Maps, you not only have access to a unique source of information comprising of operational and base map information, but you can also update it and see real-time modifications in the 3D replica.
It could be helpful for military operation, for security operation, for logistics, for political also, to briefing and to have a situation awareness on what's going on in the field mission or in any operation. And the plan now is to expand the solution in ONSOS to most field mission. If a mission requires such a solution, we sit together, we identify the requirement, we put in place a project in which we define what is the output of this project, what content it requires, like imagery, models, the solution customized to their need, the training, and the equipment.
The process to do is, the workflow is starting from the requirements, because they can be varied according what they need, and the type of data that you already have or that we need to find.
And the duration could be from 3 months to 1 year.
Once the solution is ready, we deliver in 2 different ways. One is through the company portal, so through Intune. So we can just register a group and then send through the system. But also we have an internal app store where you can just access through a link and download the application.
For virtual reality, the devices that are very cheap is $500. The, let's say, most advanced device for virtual reality. And for the mixed reality, HoloLens, it's around $3,000. So it's the price of a PC, but providing immersive, holographic, and enhanced experience for situation awareness, operation planning, security planning, military planning. When it comes to security, when it comes to life-saving, nothing is expensive. And this tool will help in security, will help in life-saving, and will help in improved operation, which means will save costs as well, not only life-saving and cost.